Hey guys, it's Kate. Instead of at Lulu's house, we're at my house. Today we're looking for more baby birds. My camera's really bad, so I don't think you can see that. We're gonna go look in another spot though. And there's my dog, Zoe. Well, let's look in this one. Oh, there might be. I see some stuff in there. Yeah, you can see it on camera. No, I don't see anything in there. There's another nest somewhere else, but it's really hard to see the baby birds in that place, but yeah. I can try to show you. This is as close as we're gonna get because I'll try to do it from above. See, you can see nothing at all because it's too dark. But here are some cute baby birds that you can barely see. Don't worry, I didn't touch it. I just touched the nest. But yeah, guess that's really it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have a nice day.